Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Tuloy! Wow! Bilis, oh? Wow! Wow! Grabe! Hey!
I wish. I already wish.
You already did it?
Yeah.
We didn't see it though.
Secret.
It's a secret?
Oo, para pag nag-fail, hindi,
Any message?
Any message?
Any message, Kuya Pablo?
Maybe, just like what I told you guys earlier, I'm really blessed to be celebrating my birthday with all of you guys. I feel so much love right now. Also, no matter what era you came to know SB19, as long as you're supporting SB19 and you're giving love and your support for SB19, we really appreciated that so much. Sana lang we get bigger and bigger so we can achieve all the dreams that we have been building together. And for my 18th birthday, I just want kanina nag-handle kami, sinabi yung edad ko. 1, 2, 3, 18!
Yes!
Happy 18 daw. Anyway, thank you all so much. We love you.